In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create your own Discord server tag. If you don't know what server tags are, they're essentially a cool new feature added by Discord, and setting one up is actually pretty simple. First, you're going to want to go ahead and click on your server name up at the top right corner, and then you're going to want to go ahead and select Server Boost. Now, to actually unlock a server tag, your server is going to need to require level 2. This is going to require at least 3 boosts. Essentially, go ahead and click boost this server. And yes, this is going to cost about $4.99 a month per boost. Once that's done, go ahead and hit nice and then head back to the server boost panel up on the left. And you'll actually see an option that does say enable server tag. As you can see, the option for me is right here. And I'm actually not going to boost my server, but someone should join and boost it for me. I'll have the link down in the pinned comment. You might need to disable a different feature in order to enable this one, just because you only have a certain amount of perks allocated per server per boost. So keep that in mind. Obviously, the more boosts you get, the more perks you're going to unlock. But once you go ahead and enable it just by clicking enable right here, you'll have the option to customize it. You can choose the badge, the color, and you can also select the name, of course, as well. Simply go ahead and click Save Changes, and now you can go ahead and add that on. If you don't know how to do that, I have a whole nother video on that, so make sure you check that out. But that's it. You've now created a server tag for your Discord server. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips.